Hello, everybody. My name is Alicia Saldivar. I am in Health and Medical Wellness class, and I am in period 3 and 4. And today, my vitamin or mineral that I'm going to be talking about is iodine. So, just a little bit of an overview. Today, we're going to be talking about what is iodine, why it's important for the body, some really good food sources for iodine, recommended intake. In this case, we're going to be using RDA, which is your recommended dietary allowance. And we are also going to be talking about deficiencies and toxicity effects. So just a little bit of background information. Iodine is an essential trace element that produces thyroid hormones, and what these thyroid hormones do is they regulate metabolism, growth, and development. It was originally first discovered in 1811 by a French chemist. It was also initially termed the substance X. Its appearance is purple black with a solid metallic luster, so it's going to be a bit on the shinier side. Its properties are it sublimes easily, which it means turns to solid to gas really quickly. And then its atomic number is 53. So now moving on to some good food sources of iodine. Iodine is found in the soil and the sea. So some good things would be seaweed, cod, oysters, yogurt, milk, iodized salt, eggs, canned tuna. And all these are on the right side. They're going to have their micrograms that they give you, and this will be used to calculate RDA in the future. So now the recommended dietary allowance, which is the RDA for iodine, it's 150 micrograms for daily for the adult male and woman 19 plus years of age. For a pregnant woman, it's going to be 220 and 290 micrograms for pregnant and lactating women. And how you get that calculation, so we know that the RDA is 150 micrograms. If you have one large hard-boiled egg, it gives you 26, as the last slide stated. So if you take those two numbers, divide them, and multiply them by 100, they're going to give you 17.3%. So overall, this person ate 17.3% of their daily RDA. So now some functions of iodine. It is essential for thyroid hormones, more specifically T4 and T3. And what these hormones do is they regulate your metabolism, your growth and development, your body temperature, and overall, iodine helps control how fast your body uses your energy. So moving on to the deficiencies, there can be too much of one substance. In this case, iodine, the excessive intake would be 1,100 micrograms daily, and these can cause numerous thyroid deficiencies. Some of those deficiencies would be like goiter, which is enlarged thyroid gland, fatigue, weight gain, cold sensitivity, and for pregnant women, it can be developmental delays in kids. In severe cases, cretinism, which is intellectual disability and growth issues, can also happen with an excessive amount of iodine. So some symptoms of toxicity too much iodine can harm your thyroid. These things can be like constipation, dry skin and hair, weight gain as well, thyroid dysfunction, which is hypothyroidism, nausea, upset stomach, and in extreme cases, severe sensation of the burning sensation of the mouth or the throat, as well as excessive sweating. So in conclusion, we learned that iodine is a essential trace element, and it has a critical role that thyroids use in production, impacting metabolism, growth, and development. There are numerous deficiencies and a toxicity of iodine that can cause numerous harms to the body. And with ensuring an adequate intake, the RDA 150 micrograms, it can help health benefits substantially. So thank you guys for listening to my iodine presentation. These are my references.